What if you could actually see, even feel, how forces truly move through a steel structure? Whether it's lateral torsional buckling, minor axis buckling, base plate philosophy, connection concepts, column orientation, equipment load transfer, or effective length. You won't just learn these concepts, you'll witness them, literally apply loads with your finger. And feel the force transfer through vertical bracings, plan bracings, shear connections, and moment connections. Then implement them in your projects with complete clarity and confidence. We are bringing this unique 4-day intensive, hands-on steel structure workshop to your country. During this workshop, you'll learn how to decide the plan bracing location, how to decide the vertical bracing location, how to determine where to use a shear connection and where a moment connection is required, how to decide the support fixity, which axis of the column should be fixed and which axis should remain pinned. You'll understand how to decide the column orientation. You'll understand the complete force transfer mechanism and many more practical concepts, all in just 16 hours. For fees and further details, WhatsApp Steel Fees 2. Come experience steel design, not as theory, but as engineering you can see, you can feel, and you can truly understand.